Well, this challenge is really trying to connect the ends of the supply chain within the automotive sector. There's a great deal of ideas come out of the UK, especially we've got excellent engineering and design capabilities. So the challenge this year is to reduce carbon emissions from passenger cars. We set a target initially of around towards 80, but also exceeding that. It's really trying to give a flow that's the direction we need substantial steps to reduce carbon emissions from passenger cars.
There are huge business opportunities to be had from going low carbon, and if you don't step up to the challenge right now, you're going to be left behind.
There hasn't been a great huge jump in the technologies used in engines for a long time or in vehicles, and this is what we're trying to draw out and give those people the opportunity to come forward and present them.
The purpose of the challenge is to encourage inventors, and Britain is very good with inventors. We've got a lot of people with really good ideas. We've also got some with not so good ideas, and the idea is to do a bit of filtering for the benefit of the automotive industry. So we'll filter out the not so good ones and we'll select some winners, some really good ideas, and present those to the automotive industry. That's the objective.
At Ford, and I think in the industry at large, we see a multi-path. We see 5 or 6 technologies that will really drive down CO2. In the short term, perhaps the next 10 to 15 years, it will be refinement of existing conventional petrol and diesel engine technology.
I think it'll raise awareness of these ideas, but on a broader scale, it's going to help people, it's going to create a mechanism for people to come forward with ideas and be a stopping point, if you like, so people can find that, use that as a resource for new innovative ideas, and then see where it goes from there, whether it's new collaborations for public or private sector funding, and eventually make their way into vehicles themselves.
People have good ideas that will help solve the problems we have, but they don't actually have access to voice their ideas. This is the ultimate opportunity to be able to voice their ideas and potentially make a great difference.
I think it's vital to bring out more and more innovation as quickly as possible. There's a real hunger amongst the automotive industry for new ideas at the moment.
People that want to take part and submit their ideas, their innovations, they go to the website lowcvp.org.uk/technology challenge, register their details, they'll receive an email with an application form, complete that, send it in. It really is that simple.